Hello everyone, it's Wednesday the 29th of June and I've not been playing this game for a while, litter picking, so let's get going. See, you don't have to go far, straight away, crisp packet and a Coke can. Actually my hedge. Well, that's 2 minutes in, picked up about 4 or 5 pieces already, some of it's in the gutter as well. Don't know what to make of the theme of today's litter pick. I've tried being positive, I've tried counting them, I've tried to claim some money back off the council because I'm picking it up, not dropping it. What should we do today? How about categorising it? Most of it, you see, is like this. KFC. It's drinks and snacks. Well, it's been fairly dry, and in fact the council have come along and cut the grass, which is good. Unfortunately, they didn't pick up the litter beforehand, so what you've got is this. Quite a few bits of litter are knocking about, which are just shredded by a machine. So with my Sherlock Holmes hat on, I can assume that this Costa coffee has to have been dropped since the grass cutter came along. I know what I'm doing, you know. Aha! You know what this is? It's a little bakery bag. Yes, the little bakery bag, which has, no, it still doesn't have on it anything to say don't drop litter please. It would be so simple. It's got other things printed on it on how wonderful Lidl is about what they do, but not about dropping litter. And of course, if that was put on the bag, of course it would solve the problem instantly and nobody would ever drop a bag like this again just because it's got a little label on that says don't drop litter. Do you believe me? No, I know. But it would be a move in the right direction, wouldn't it? Here's a great example. Once there was one piece of litter here, and now there are, I don't know, lots of them. At least 10 or 12 pieces of litter. Let me cite one item of success. I asked the council to put these signs up, and they have done so. And it says, as you can see, that if you drop litter, there is a fine of £100. I've said this before, I'll try it again, it's a bit amusing, isn't it? So it's £100 for dropping each of these, so I'm going to claim £100 for picking it up. I've picked up about 40 pieces there. Is that £4,000? Yeah, probably so, yeah. I'll be applying to the council all in good time. That which comes from a Lidl can go back to Lidl. Well, I'm going to make my way back up Hyam Lane, back to my own house, and I'm picking up as I go. So this stuff I'm going to actually put in my own bin. So I'm not putting it all on the back of Lidl. You might ask, John, why are you doing this? It's such a futile gesture. But then the world's made up of gestures. They're not all futile. Look, I've written to Mr. Putin and said, look, stop that stupid war. You're killing people, men, women, children. But unfortunately, he didn't take any notice. So the best I can do is step outside my own front door and do something local. And picking up litter, well, it sort of does the job. I've got time on my hands. Just do what you can when you can. Well, there you have it, folks. Most of that has gone in my bin from the Chase Hotel. It's all in the hedge by the side of the pub, so maybe I have to have a word with them. Anyway, I'm going to thank the council for providing these items for me to help pick up litter, which is very good. So if you're interested in supporting this cause, go to the Keep Nuneaton Tidy Facebook page, and the activities and the people interested in that are there. Okay, right, until the next time.